Begin by finding stillness. Close your eyes. Place one hand over your heart and the other gently on your belly. Allow your body to soften, shoulders to drop, and release your jaw. Feel your body sink into the surface below you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and hold. Exhale nice and slow. And hold. Inhale gently and slowly. And hold. Exhale slowly. And hold. Now bring your breathing to a slow, relaxing pace. With each breath, imagine you are breathing directly into your heart. As you keep breathing, bring to mind a memory of love, gratitude, or appreciation. Something that makes you feel safe and connected. It could be the smile of someone you cherish, a warm hug, or simply the peace of a quiet morning coffee or tea. Feel the feeling that image brings to mind. Let that feeling of love, gratitude, or appreciation fill your chest. Hold that feeling in your heart. Now let that feeling expand through your whole body, like gentle waves pulsing up and down. Now expand that feeling outside of your body into your energy field. Feel it rippling out. Put a gentle smile on your face to allow you to feel that emotional feeling of love, gratitude, or appreciation. Repeat silently or aloud, I allow my breath to guide me back to balance. I radiate calmness. I am safe. I am grounded. I am love. I radiate love. Now picture yourself standing on the ground. Imagine roots growing from your feet deep into the earth. Strong, steady, and unshakable. Feel yourself anchored, supported, and held by the earth. Repeat silently or aloud to yourself. I release the weight of this moment and return to peace. My breath carries me back to balance. I am safe to let go of tension and rest in calm. I forgive myself and others for reacting in pain, I return to love. This moment does not define me. I choose peace. I am grounded. I am steady. I am whole. I breathe out conflict. I breathe in compassion. My spirit is resilient. My heart is open. Peace lives in me, and I return to it now. Now relax in the calm, grounded version of you. Enjoy the last few moments of this meditation and just be.